If you need to create a professional invoice quickly, Microsoft Word makes it easy, even if you've never designed an invoice before. In this video, I'll show you how to create an invoice in Microsoft Word step by step, customize it with your own business details, and save it so you can reuse it anytime. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word opens, you'll want to look for the Online Templates section, because that's the fastest way to build a clean invoice without starting from scratch. In the search bar, type Invoice. Word will show you a list of invoice templates that you can use for different businesses and styles. Take a moment to browse through the designs and pick one that fits your brand or the type of work you do. Some templates are very modern, some are simple, and some are more detailed, so choose the one that best matches your needs. After that, click the design you want to use, and Word will load the template into a new document. Once your invoice template opens, the next step is to customize it. Replace the placeholder text with your own business name, address, phone number, email, and any other contact information you want to include. If the template has a logo area, insert your business logo so the invoice looks more professional and branded. Then update the client details as well, such as the customer name, billing address, and invoice date. This is also where you can add an invoice number, which helps you keep track of your records and makes it easier to organize payments later. Now, go through the line items and update the product or service descriptions, quantities, rates, and totals. Make sure everything is accurate, because this is what your client will use to understand exactly what they're being billed for. If the template includes tax, discounts, or payment terms, adjust those fields too, so they match your business process. You can also change the font, colors, and spacing if you want the invoice to look more polished or better aligned with your brand. Just keep it clean and easy to read, since invoices should always look professional. Once everything's filled in, review the invoice carefully for spelling mistakes, incorrect numbers, or missing details. This quick check can save you time and help avoid confusion later. When you're happy with it, save the file so you can reuse it again in the future. You can also save a copy as a PDF if you want to send a version that can't be easily edited. That's especially useful when emailing invoices to clients. And that's how you create an invoice in Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. You opened Word, chose an invoice template, customized it with your business information, and saved it for use. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.